Olukemi, what's the problem? You look sober.
I'm only thinking of some things. You know, in this world, there are different categories of people. Some people are weak, while some are strong.
Yes.
Some are rich, while some are poor.
Yeah.
Some are sick, while some are healthy.
You're right.
But no matter the category, there's one thing that equates everybody.
What's that?
And that thing is death.
Hmm.
But the question is, after death, where do you go?
Where do I go?
The best place to go after death is Jerusalem.
Wow.
Jerusalem on high, a place where the doors shineth with praise. A
Interesting.
place full of merriment. Even the street shineth with gold. Jerusalem, a great place. Come on, let us sing. Jerusalem. Jerusalem, Taru, Ori mi lo mi, ile mi grimbaku, efu ibuku mi, ibi ayo, nigawo ni oro jure. Ọlọ́run mi, òdìrẹ ìlú mi, láfi bẹ́ ọ ṣe lọ́ṣọ̀ọ́, lẹ́kùn rẹ̀ dán fún yín, wúrà ní ìta rẹ̀, ibi ayọ̀ nígbà wo ni ọ̀rọ̀ ojú rẹ̀, Ọlọ́run mi, òòrùn kìrọ̀ níbẹ̀, bẹ́ẹ̀ ni kò sóṣùpá, àpò àìwòye, Kristi ni mọ́lẹ̀gbẹ́, ibi ayọ̀ nígbà wo ni ọ̀rọ̀ ojú rẹ̀, Ọlọ́run mi, tèmi ìsásùn mi, tí mo bá gòkè dá, kò sí irú yìí lókè, níbẹ̀ ni mo fẹ́ lọ. Ibi ayọ̀ nígbà wo lè ọ̀rọ̀ ojú rẹ̀, Ọlọ́run mi. Yes, Jerusalem on high. That's the best place for every Christian to go. A place where Jesus has prepared for us. Now, do you wish to go there? I leave that with you. Please do like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram on Songs Ministry. Always subscribe and share. Till next time, God be with you. Bye bye.